everyday wear. Our pasmina is made from high-quality viscose with neat stretched edges, no loose thread, and a smooth finish. And don't forget, we offer a wide range of beautiful colors to match your style.
Hi, this looks nice, but honestly, the price seems a bit expensive.
I understand your concern, but let me show you the value behind it. Also, notice the finishing is neatly stitched, no lost fit, which make it durable and long-lasting. Experience quality, comfort, and style in one product is truly worth it.
Okay, that makes sense. Thank you. I've seen similar pasmina from other brands. What makes yours different?
Great question. Unlike many competitors, our pasmina is focused on to elegant with comfort. Some products may look similar, but they often feel wrong or have messy edges. Our product is not itchy, lightweight, and easy to style, making it perfect to any occasion. Plus, we provide exclusive colors from soft neutral to bold tones, so you can truly express your style. Don't just compare, experience the difference yourself.
Wow, I like it. It does feel better. Sorry, I didn't quite understand. Can you explain what makes it special?
Of course, the meaning is quite simple. First, the material is premium viscose, so it feels soft and comfortable on your skin. Second, the size is 180 cm by 75 cm, perfect for many styles. Third, the finishing is neatly stitched, so it looks clean and lasts longer. And lastly, the benefit, it boosts your confidence and completes your look for any occasion. So basically, it's comfortable, stylish, and practical.
Okay, now I understand. Thank you.
Discover your